What's up, guys? We're going to be doing a video about remote control cars. Well, this one won't work. That one, it can't turn. But we are going to try to make this one work.
Yeah.
This one's charging. One's charging. So we will go ahead and... Yeah, we're going to be doing it. There.
How is this?
Josh's charge.
Mine's green.
Okay, since his work for mine, I'm going to try to put it in this. Turn it on. Let's see if it works. He needs to find this remote. This remote is right there. Let's see. Yep, it's on. Let's turn this on. Oh my God. Your wheels. The wheels are messed up on the front.
I know. That's why I said we're going to try to make it work.
Whoa, do that again, Eric. I didn't get that on video.
Look, I'll try to turn. I can't.
Sophia, you're blocking it. He flipped. Oh no. I mean, it doesn't turn, but it's working.
Look, see? That's how good I can turn.
Your wheels are messed up, look.
Yeah, because look. Come here.
You see, my stepdad said that it was plastic on plastic, so every time I turn, it'd break it.
So, we're just doing wheelies.
Well, I mean, we'll do another one once they're charged that can actually turn. At least you can see wheelies. We should put like the remote in my car.
How fast this thing is. I'm just gonna do that. Comment down below if you like RC cars, and it will comment down below RC cars if you like RC cars. And if you like wheelies, comment down below wheelies.
You can comment now, guys.
Well, you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm trying to turn. Oh, I did it.
Oh, you can still use that thing. You should have used Josh's battery. Then he would have to pay you. Eric, you should watch this. It's pretty fun.
What?
You should watch this. It's pretty fun to watch.
Holy crap. Okay, come here.
It's already been 4 minutes.
Look at my thumb. Oh, my middle finger.
This thing is fast.
She thinks she can beat this. this. Look at that power though. Sophia, come here. I want to kind of race her, but
But yeah, we might do a racing video. Because I have one, he has one. Oh yeah, guys, I can't tell you what the other one's like because that's just gonna spoil it. We don't want to spoil it.
spoil what?
Your other truck or other RC.
We showed them in the beginning. That's
Oh,
a
yeah.
Gravedigger.
Yeah, Gravedigger. We might do another video. And there's another truck that I might do. It's mine. It's only been 5 minutes. Eric. 3, 2, 1, go!
Made it.
Oh, you drifted.
That was like the perfect landing.
No, stop. Look at this parking. Look at that parking. He drifted and parked like that. Look at that.
Look, this is slow-mo. Ready? That's slow-mo.
Back up.
No, that's a glitch. Look. I won't even press anything, and it's going forward.
It used to do that, right? Hey guys, he doesn't press it and it just keeps going forwards. Watch this. See the remote? Look, put the remote down. Look, what?
Wait.
Oh, it stopped, I think.
Yeah, it stopped. It was making that weird sound too. The battery's gone. Look. It can't do as good as a wheelie as it did.
It made that thing go flying. See, it's starting to turn a little red, a little yellow. Oh, that did a pretty good way.
See, I'm using my brother's battery because my battery is like
His bro. Yeah. Don't the vloggers never talk?
I don't really care about this because it's trash.
How many more? Are we gonna stop videoing this?
When it reaches 15 minutes.
Oh, come on! I don't want to hold this.
Oh, that was a smooth wheelie.
Try to get out. Why can't it? Try to go on the rocks. You can see. Keon, can you vlog? Keon, can you vlog? Come here. Get the camera. Wait, no. Eric, wait. No, Keon, vlog. Please. Ow. Here, vlog.
Who's vlogging?
Keon.
Carson.
Oh.
What's with the wheel? Steven says plastic against
Eric, follow me. Follow me, Eric.
drive it a lot. It really
Eric, follow me. I need a drink.
What?
What?
What? I'm not. I'm. Okay. No.
at the 10 mark.
Okay, you can stop real quick. No, not like end the video, but like take your drink because I'm gonna use this one.
No, we're gonna do that in a different video.
No, we're not. We're gonna do yours on a different video.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, car. I saw them.
What do you mean you saw them? You saw what?
It went this way and this way.
Guys, I'll show you the Gravedigger, okay? It's right there.
And this one's a chargeable one, so
Yeah.
you can charge it. And then the sucky thing about this is sticking this in.
Oh yeah, they're really hard. Guys, if you have one of these, comment down below if they're hard. The charger are hard to get back in.
Got it.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, I don't even think I turned it on.
Hear that? He can turn the noise off. Watch, and he can turn it back on.
The battery's dead. Yeah, the battery's dead.
When do we end the video? It's already at 11, Eric. It's at 11. Wow. See that, guys?
You see how this can turn? My other one can't. Okay.
Yeah. Wait, turn it again. See that turn?
Okay, now I kind of want to see if we can do something. Let's turn this one back on. There's just a little more. Switch out
Better.
This one's not battery. You charge it.
Eric, 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. What the?
It's stuck.
Look. It's dead.
I know.
Sure it won't even like move? No, it's probably dead. I wouldn't mess with it.
Yeah, let's go charge this again. Okay, this is where we're gonna end the video.
Yeah,
Not right now. Not right now.
not right now.
But when I plug this back in. First of all,
You can see he's plugging it in right now.
And we're going to plug this one in here. See, it's red. It's dead.
See my battery.
His battery for his is charged. It's green, but we can't do it in this video because it's already at 13 minutes and we need to go.
So, Caitlin, get in here.
Thank you.
Come on, Caitlin. Come on. Oh, come on.